Okay, cool. So this is gonna be the third part? I believe the third part of the series on how to add users to a team. The first part we literally just worked on setting up your project. Second part we worked on getting Plastic set up on the host computer or the main computer who can be working on everything. Third part, this is actually the fourth part. The third part we talked about how to invite friends to your workspace. Now this part, we're going to take it from the perspective of that friend and what they need to do to get everything set up. What I did was I actually made a new user account on my computer just to show you guys this step from another user's point of view. Let's get started with it. Very first thing you're going to do is you're going to click on Gmail. And when you click on Gmail, you will see the email that was sent as soon as you were invited to add that organization. You see right here, I got an email saying, hey, you've been invited to join this person's organization using Plastic Cloud. This is the organization's name. What it's going to say is that you'll need to install the cloud edition of Plastic. You actually do not need to do that. Plastic should already be installed on your computer. One way to check if it is installed on your computer is by clicking the window button and just type in the word Plastic. And you should see Plastic SCM appear on your computer like that. If you do not see that, just let your teacher know or let me know if I'm teaching you, and I will help you out with that. But with Plastic SCM installed, you're just going to click on that icon right there. Then from here, you can actually sign in with your Unity ID. You click sign in with Unity ID. I'm going to click Google so I can sign in with Google. And I'm just going to go and type in the account that was added. So in my case, it was this account. I'm going to put in my password, but you guys don't need to know what to see. And I always have to verify my account because I have double two-factor authentication, so I'm going to do that. And cool, now I am good. So now it actually said that I'm part of several organizations. If I click this drop down, I'll see the first one that I added to myself like a couple hours ago, and I'll see this one, which is the one that I'm focused on right now. You know you click the right organization because the name will match the name of the organization right here. So I click that and I click join. Cool. Now that I've joined, I'm able to see what's happening here. It says I'm now part of the Plastic organization. Now I'm gonna go back to click admin just to see what this is saying. Cool. It's like so when you click admin, you see different users the different groups you're a part of. See, I'm part of these two groups right here. Um, it'll say Open Web UI, but one thing you'll notice is it won't say configure. That's because this account is not one that's set to create a project, only set to like download projects. So what I'm going to do from here is I've made my project, I've signed into Plastic. This is the next thing that pops up here. There are two different versions of Plastic. One is for developers, one is for artists. Just click on this one. It's much easier to view and see. I'm going to click Launch Glueon. Then it will say I'm part of the organization. It says join an existing project or create one. Let's see what we can do here. I'm going to click choose. And I'll see all the projects I can join. I'm going to join this one right here because that's the one that I was added to, like so. And then this part right here just says, hey, where do you want project to go to? I'm going to choose it to go on to my documents right here. Click OK, then click apply. So what's happening here is it actually says, hey, this is the project that you have. And now we can actually start to just download this project onto Unity, well, onto our system. Uh, do, 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 do. So I see that's actually here. That's actually looking good. So I'm gonna pause real quick just to make sure I know exactly where to go, and then I'm gonna resume when everything is squared away. Alright, cool. So, did a little bit of tinkering. I have the easiest way to get this done, so I'm going to show you guys what that looks like. Alright, so here's what you want to do. When you're in your workspace, just click the refresh button, and you should be able to see your project up here. You know you're in your project where you'll start to see assets, which is the assets folder, and you go inside of it and you'll see whatever folder you made, like that. That's how you know you're inside the proper folder. Now, what you're going to do from here is we just need to find this folder inside of our inside of Unity Hub and access it. The easiest way I found to do that is if you just click on the top level right here, and then on the right hand side, you will see the name of the project and you'll see the thing called a path. You're gonna highlight everything after the C, well, including the C, and copy it. Then from here, you're gonna go to Unity Hub. Now, when you're in Unity Hub, it can be pretty simple. Let me just reopen Unity Hub real quick. Give me give it a second to open. Cool. Now you can add a project. I'm gonna click this add button right here, and I can try and find that file. But for me, I think I saved mine in the wrong location, so it's a bit weird. Like I said, the easy thing to do is we just copy that path. I'm gonna go up here to the top. I'm gonna click on it, and you're gonna delete, so it gets rid of the download, and then paste in the path I found right here. When you found the path, you'll see one thing that says .plastic and then another one that says assets. That's exactly what you want. Click select folder, and then from there, you'll be able to actually access the Unity project. Make sure that you choose the proper Unity version, which in you guys' case, you only have one version. Me, I have 3 different versions, so mine looks a little bit different from yours. But from there, you'll be able to open up the project, like so. Gonna click continue. And then just wait for everything to open. Which, as you guys know, sometimes takes a little while, but we'll be good to go. Alright, so that's it with this video. I'm not gonna wait for this thing to open. The next video is gonna be about making sure that we can actually get everything synced properly and how to upload and publish changes back and forth.